Memorial Day 2018, we took our little dachshund for a walk. But we have friends that live over there that we go to school with, and the kids went in and played, and I stayed outside with the adults.
Andrea called our law firm. She explained that her daughter, Mari, had just suffered an awful attack by 2 pit bulls.
The dogs had Mari by the head, whipping her around. I was able to pull his jaw off of her head and get her out of harm's way. I put her in the shower to wash all her wounds off just to see where she was at.
The injuries that she received, it's a miracle that she still has her eyesight.
He had her by the head, so he crushed her orbital bone and then almost ripped her ear off. At that point, I wasn't really going to pursue anything. This is a freak accident. The hospital has to call the police with dog bites. I found out that the dog had previously bit somebody. I called 4 lawyers that day, and I give them all the details. They call back and they're like, I'm sorry.
And when there's no insurance, there's usually no money.
I don't have enough resources to fight something like that.
So I took the case, and we took it what's called pro bono, which means for free, without a fee. And I said, look, I'm going to try. I'm making no promises, but I'm going to do the best I can to see if we can get her something.
And I was just floored. It was like a miracle. Dan was able to get the dog owner to work with us and to comply, which was amazing.
I was able to develop enough of a rapport with the dog owner and to persuade him to do the right thing. We were able to get the case settled and to get the money put into an annuity. So when Mari is 25, she's going to recover some money, and it's going to make a difference in her life, and that was important. It was important to do something for her.
What I found the most is just that steadiness. They said they were going to do something and they did it. There's a principle there, and that's character.
5 years is a long time to litigate.
And I just couldn't believe that they were so willing to go the distance. And he said he doesn't want to see another case like this go.
I just am so appreciative that she was willing to be patient and to trust me. She really, really trusted me.
They provided a service that was above and beyond what was expected of them.
It was one of the highlights of my 30 years of practice. It really was. And I feel very pleased that we were able to get what I consider a very good outcome.